Engineers and scientists use parallel computing toolbox to solve larger and more complex problems. You can use Parallel Computing Toolbox to take advantage of high-performance computing resources such as your multi-core desktop, GPUs, and computer clusters to speed up your computations. With a familiar Matlab language and with minimal programming effort, you can perform computations faster and more efficiently. Using Parallel Computing Toolbox, you can speed up common computationally intensive problems such as parameter sweeps and Monte Carlo simulations. For example, you can accelerate certain functions in several MathWorks products such as the optimization toolbox by simply turning on an option. These functions contain parallel algorithms that work with the toolbox. Similarly, you can accelerate your applications that contain time-consuming for loops by converting the loops into parallel for loops. Parallel for loops can automatically distribute and run several iterations simultaneously. You can also accelerate your applications by taking advantage of NVIDIA GPUs with Parallel Computing Toolbox. In this example, we saw up to a 9-time speedup of the simulation by running on a GPU. Among other options available for leveraging your GPU, you can run existing Matlab functions, such as FFT, on the GPU directly from Matlab. A full list of functions is available in the Toolbox documentation on the MathWorks website. Certain problems require manipulating very large matrices whose memory requirements exceed the limits of a desktop computer. Distributed arrays and associated parallel algorithms available in Parallel Computing Toolbox can partition and process such large matrices across several computers. You can run parallel applications both interactively and in batch. In interactive mode, results are available immediately as computations finish, just as in any Matlab session. When your applications need to run for a long time, you can set them up to run in batch. This lets you continue to use your Matlab session for other work and retrieve results later. You can leverage computer clusters and other large computing resources by using the toolbox in conjunction with the Matlab Distributed Computing Server. Scaling up your parallel applications does not require any code changes. For more information on Parallel Computing Toolbox, visit the product page or choose a link below.